Okay, in this video, I will show you an example. In the next video, you can have a go for yourself. So, given 2 points, let's say here and here, find y when x is 92. So what that means is from here to here is 2, but if you were to extend this to 92, well if you were to extrapolate this line here, and then 92 will cross here. Well, what will be the y value at this point here? Sorry, at this point here. Okay. And the second question is, well, what will y be when x is minus 1.75? Well, 1, 2 is here. Okay. Well, minus 1.75 is probably somewhere around here. So what will this point? Where will this point be? What will be the y value at this point? And also you can also find out the point where it crosses the x-axis. So what will be this point here? Where will this point be? Okay. So in this video I will show you how to do it, and then in the next video you can have a go for yourself. So in order to answer these three questions, you've got to find out the equation of this line. So the first thing is, let's just find out the equation of this line. So hang on. So the equation of this line start with y equals mx plus c. Okay. So let's concentrate on m, the gradient. So the gradient will be, well, we need the height. The height here, later on we will divide it by the width. So the height will be, I'm just going to get this, take away this. Okay. So it will be 6 minus, and then minus 3. So 6 take away negative 3. Okay. And then I'm just going to get this, take away this. So it will be 2 minus 7. So that would be 9. Up here would, hang on. So up here would be 9 as well. Oh yeah. Up here will also be 9. So it would be 9 over 9. Okay, which is just 1. Okay, so m is 1. So that means y equals x plus c. So this is this line is like a diagonal line, a perfect. Well anyway, it has a gradient of 1. Okay, and now you've got to find out c. Now, in order to find out c, we've got to select one point. Either use this point here or this point here. Any point on the line. You could use this point here, but you don't know where it crosses. Well, you don't know the coordinates here. You do know the exact coordinates here. So let's use 2 and 6. So this is your y. Put this into y, and then this is your x. Put it into x. So this will be 6 equals 2 plus c. Okay. So c here, we'll take away 2 from both sides. So c equals 4. Okay, so let's go back to here now. So the equation for that line is y equals x plus well, c is 4. So x plus 4. Okay. So we've got our equation. Okay. So let me just, yeah. Okay. So this. For this line here, the equation is given by this. Now, if you want to know what y is when x is 92, well, put 92 into here, because what that means is, suppose you want to know well, this line here is y equals x plus 4. So what it means is, if you put whatever x into here, put it into here, and then it would take you up to this point here. Okay, if you put x, let's say if you choose x to be here, if you put this the x into this x here, then the overall thing here would jump to this line here. If say x is whatever here, if you put whatever into the x, it would take you straight to here. Now my point is that if you put 92 into here, it will take you to, say 92 is here, 92. It will take you to this, well, the point where it crosses here. Okay. So my point is, if you want to know what y will be when x is 92, then put the 92 into here. Okay, so it would be 92 plus 4. So y would be 96. So to answer this question here, so y would be 96. Okay, and then this question here, the second one, what will y be when x is minus 1.75? So minus 1.75. It doesn't matter where. Well, you just put this minus 1.75. Put minus 1.75 into the x here. Okay, so it would be this. It would be minus 1.75 plus 4. So that's the same as me doing this. 4 take away 1.75. Okay, hang on, bear with me. So this would be 3, 9, 1. So this would be 5. This would be 2. This would be 2. So the answer is 2.25. So y would be this. Okay, so to answer this question, y would be 2.25. Okay, and to find out where it crosses the x-axis. Now here's the thing. Let me think about this. Well, where it crosses here. Oh, okay, you don't know. Well, you see, what I'm trying to say is that if you want to know where it crosses here, you put 0 into the x. Into the y, sorry, because if you think about it, here it tells you the up and down of this thing would be the y. Okay, suppose the point is here, the height here would be y. Suppose it's the point is here, this would be the y. Okay, the up and down here is y. Suppose it's here, the up and down here would be this line here. Well, suppose it's right on here. The up and down would be 0. The up and down of this point here would be 0. The value of y at this point would be 0. Okay. Well, think about it. If it's here, the up and down here would be 6. If it's here, well, look at this length here. Okay. If it's here, the length, well, here would be whatever. Here it would be this length here, and well, on this point here, the y value would be 0. Okay, so if you want to know what x is right here, put 0 into the y, and then that would, okay, let's put 0 into the y. What will x be when y is 0? So put 0 into the y. So you've sorry, hang on. So you put the 0 into the y. So you've got your equation here. Now take away 4 from both sides. So minus 4 equals x. So when y equals 4, when y equals 0, x is negative 4. Okay, at this point here. So if my point is that if you want to know where it crosses the x-axis, well, where it crosses the x-axis, the y value will be 0. So put 0 into here, and it turns out that x equals minus 4. So this point here must be minus 4, 0. Okay, because the up and down at this point here, well, the up and down here would be this line here. Well, at this point here it would be 0, and the acrossness, if that makes sense, the acrossness here would be minus 4. Well, 4. Well, this point here would be minus 4. Okay, so to answer this question, it would be minus 4. Okay, in the next video, I will give you some practice. Have a go, and then you will get a feel of it. Okay.